How's it going, guys? Thanks for joining me on my small engine repair channel. Today's project is on this Ariens Compact 22 model two-stage snowblower, and the problem that we've got with it is that it's got a cracked and broken light and lens that is not working. So let's see about fixing this up and getting this back in service. All right, guys, so this is actually my personal snowblower that I picked up this past spring. And when I bought it, it did not have a cover on this light here. So I did a little research. I didn't think I was going to go ahead and replace this. I thought maybe I would put some external sort of LED lights and mount them up here kind of thing. Just because the costs associated with this. I believe the price all in shipped to my house here in Canada ended up being, I think, around $80. So not cheap for a piece of plastic and a light bulb. But anyways, I did go ahead and pull the trigger and buy a new one. Now, this repair is going to be probably one of the easiest repairs you can do, so it's going to be a fairly short video. To get this old lens off, what you're going to have to do is remove two 5/16 bolts, one here and one over here. You remove those, the whole lens assembly will come out, and then we'll take the wiring harness off and hook up the new one and put it back on. So it's going to be a pretty easy fix today. All right, now this whole lens is going to come out. Just slide it out. Now, to get the light assembly off, or the wiring harness off, you gotta basically lift up on both of these tabs on the side. Unfortunately, the other one looks like it's might be broken. It's pretty much broken there, so I don't want to break this one if I can help it. So I'm going to take my time, maybe use a little flathead screwdriver. And try and lift this off just like that. And then this whole assembly is garbage. This light bulb, I do believe, is probably burnt out as well, but it's all rusted and crappy. So just going to replace the whole thing. The light bulb actually wouldn't turn on when I actually went to run this machine when I was testing it before buying it. So I think the light bulb's burnt out as well. So here's the new assembly. There's the part number. Okay, this assembly does come with a light bulb. Thanks so much, Ariens. But this new style also has a bit of a smoke colored sort of glare shield built into it, because I've been reading that this is one of the major problems with this, is that the old style actually would shoot that LED light right in your face while you were blowing snow and using it. So anyways, they did change the design a little bit and put a smoke sort of cover over the top part. So it's as easy as hooking the wiring harness back up. Okay, popping that back through. putting our screws back in. I'm going to start them by hand. You should probably not use an impact because we are putting them into plastic. But I probably will just put it on a lower setting. Just get started at least, and then I can maybe drive them in by hand after. Or just not take my own advice and drive them in with a carefully drive them in with the impact. And that is pretty much it, guys. Let's take a look. Don't mind the dust here. It's just been sitting in my garage waiting to get some use. We haven't had any major snow this year yet, but that looks good. She looks brand new. Obviously it is brand new. So anyways, just a short little quick video I wanted to show you guys in case you were deciding that that's something that you wanted to do. Even if you just wanted the smoke colored glare shield part of it, you can upgrade it to the new assembly. So anyways, hopefully it helps somebody, and if you like the video, please consider subscribing. I do have a lot of small engine repair videos on my channel. So until our next project, guys, take care.